Keywords drive traffic, boost visibility, and fuel your online presence. But what if I told you that using the wrong ones could be costing you money? Welcome to Web Genius HQ, your go-to source for unlocking the secrets to online success. Today, we're diving deep into one of the foundational pillars of SEO, keyword research. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or someone who's just beginning their journey in online business, understanding the ins and outs of keyword research is crucial. This process is the bedrock of a successful SEO strategy, guiding every aspect of your content creation, marketing efforts, and overall online visibility. So, before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and strategies to supercharge your digital presence. Let's begin by discussing what keywords are and why they are so essential in the world of SEO. Keywords are the specific terms and phrases that individuals type into search engines like Google when they're looking for information, products, or services. These words and phrases are much more than just text. They represent the bridge between the questions people have and the answers your website provides. Think about it. Every time someone types a query into a search engine, they are expressing a need or a problem they want to solve. Your goal is to align your content with the keywords your target audience is using so that your website appears in their search results. This alignment not only drives traffic to your site, but also ensures that the visitors you attract are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. And as we all know, targeted traffic leads to higher engagement, better conversion rates, and ultimately, more sales or leads for your business. The first step in keyword research is brainstorming, a process that lays the foundation for all subsequent steps. Start by considering the main topics that are relevant to your business, brand, or content focus. These topics are what we call seed keywords, broad, foundational terms that you can later expand into more specific, actionable phrases. For example, if you run a fitness blog, you might start with seed keywords like workout routines, healthy eating, or weight loss tips. It's important to think broadly at this stage because your seed keywords will guide the rest of your research. To get the most out of this brainstorming session, try to put yourself in the shoes of your potential audience. Ask yourself, what are their pain points? What are they trying to achieve? What questions are they likely to ask? By generating a comprehensive list of these broad topics, you set yourself up for success in the next phase of the process. Once you've compiled your list of seed keywords, it's time to dive deeper and expand them into a comprehensive list of potential keywords. This is where keyword research tools come into play, providing you with the data and insights needed to refine your strategy. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, Ahrefs, and SEMrush are invaluable for this stage of the process. By inputting your seed keywords into one of these tools, you'll be able to discover related keywords, assess their search volumes, and evaluate their competition levels. These tools will generate a wealth of data, showing you not just what people are searching for, but also how difficult it might be to rank for certain terms. For example, you might find that a term like home workout plans has a high search volume but also high competition, meaning many other websites are also trying to rank for it. On the other hand, a more niche term like home workout plans for seniors might have lower competition, making it easier to rank for while still attracting a highly targeted audience. The key here is to strike a balance between search volume and competition, ensuring that the keywords you choose can realistically help you achieve your goals. Now that you've generated a list of potential keywords, the next step is to analyze and select the ones that will best support your content and business objectives. This stage is where strategic thinking really comes into play. When evaluating your keywords, there are three primary factors to consider: relevance, search volume, and competition. Relevance is arguably the most important of these. Your keywords must closely align with the content you're creating. For instance, if a keyword has a high search volume but isn't directly related to your content, it's unlikely to attract the right audience. Search volume gives you an idea of how popular a keyword is, indicating how many people are searching for it each month. However, it's important to remember that higher search volumes often come with increased competition, making it harder to rank for those terms. Competition refers to the number of other websites trying to rank for the same keyword. High competition can be a significant barrier, especially for newer or smaller websites. The goal is to find that sweet spot, a keyword that is highly relevant to your content, has a decent search volume, and isn't too competitive. This balance will help you attract the right audience while also giving you a realistic chance of ranking well in search results. As you continue to refine your list, don't overlook the power of long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are longer, more specific phrases that typically have lower search volumes but are highly targeted. For example, while a short-tail keyword like running shoes might attract a large number of searches, it's also extremely broad and competitive. A long-tail keyword like best running shoes for flat feet is much more specific, targeting a niche audience that is likely further along in the purchasing decision process. Although fewer people might search for this phrase, those who do are often closer to making a purchase, which can result in higher conversion rates. In other words, long-tail keywords allow you to target more precise queries, often with less competition, leading to better results. This specificity not only improves your chances of ranking, but also ensures that the traffic you attract is more likely to convert. Once you've selected your keywords, it's crucial to organize them effectively to maximize their impact on your content strategy. One effective method is to create a spreadsheet where you can categorize your keywords by topic, search volume, competition, and user intent. This organizational system will help you plan your content more strategically, ensuring that you're consistently targeting the most valuable keywords for your audience. For instance, you might group together related keywords that can be used in the same piece of content, allowing you to rank for multiple terms with a single article or page. This approach not only saves time, but also increases the overall SEO value of your content. Additionally, by tracking the performance of your keywords over time, you can identify which ones are driving the most traffic and conversions, allowing you to refine your strategy and focus on the keywords that deliver the best results. It's also important to recognize that keyword research is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that requires regular attention. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, with search trends, user behaviors, and search engine algorithms changing over time. To stay competitive, you need to revisit your keyword strategy periodically, update your keyword list with new opportunities, and monitor your rankings to see how your content is performing. This ongoing optimization will help you stay ahead of the curve and maintain your online visibility in a constantly changing environment. By staying informed about the latest trends and continuously refining your keyword strategy, you can ensure that your website remains relevant and continues to attract the right audience. And speaking of staying relevant, if you're looking for professional help to take your website's SEO to the next level, Web Genius HQ offers a range of services designed to boost your online presence. From comprehensive keyword research and content optimization to full-scale digital marketing strategies, our team of experts is here to help you achieve your business goals. Whether you're looking to drive more traffic, increase conversions, or build a stronger online brand, we've got you covered. Visit webgeniushq.com today to learn more about how we can help you succeed in the digital world. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy researching.